Hello and welcome to Car Lube TV. In this short video I will hopefully show you how effective blood wheel cleaner is. Excuse the dirty TTS. We used it the other day to pick up a new car for the channel from a farm. More on that at a later date. So what am I using here? I think a lesser brand than the better known Devil's Blood, but hopefully it will still work the same. This high contact formula wheel cleaner has a colour changing indicator so you can see it actually working. It turns purple as it breaks down and neutralises the iron contamination which is deposited on your wheels from braking. For wheels with a high build-up of brake dust, simply leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash away the grime, which should leave your wheels sparkling. It definitely looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. Look at it. I can report after leaving it for 10 minutes and then washing off the wheels, they are immaculate. Slight disclaimer, these wheels were not actually that caked up with brake dust, but I think it still shows the effectiveness. After cleaning the whole car, free from all that farm mud, we now have a gleaming TTS once again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please browse the Car Lube TV channel. In this episode we've got quite an interesting touring car inspired E36 BMW M3. I'm going to install these new headlights onto the front of my M3. I have fancied a change from the dimly illuminated OEM halos, which as you will see in this video struggle to distribute light evenly.